How much wealth could you accumulate by saving a little every day? Welcome to our Frugal Living Guide. Imagine the power of frugality. It's more than just penny pinching. It's a lifestyle choice that can lead to financial freedom. It's about making thoughtful decisions, being resourceful, and prioritizing what truly matters. In the grand scheme of things, small savings can add up to big rewards. Now let's dive into some practical tips for frugal living. First, let's talk about food. Do you know how much you could save by simply planning your meals and cooking at home? Meal planning is not just for the super organized among us. It's a practical habit that can work wonders for your wallet. Start by planning your meals for the week. This not only helps you avoid unnecessary spending on takeout, but also allows you to buy in bulk, which is often cheaper. Next, let's talk leftovers. Don't let them go to waste. Leftovers can be transformed into a whole new meal with a little creativity. Think stir-fries, casseroles, and salads. And remember, many foods freeze well, so don't be afraid to make a big batch and save some for later. And lastly, cooking at home, besides being a great way to save money, can also be a fun and rewarding activity for the whole family. So don your aprons, grab your utensils, and start cooking up some savings. Remember, a penny saved in the kitchen is a penny earned. Next, we tackle shopping. Are you ready to become a smart shopper? Well, let's dive right in. Thrifty shopping isn't just about buying the cheapest items on the shelf. It's about making informed decisions that add up to big savings over time. For starters, consider buying used items. They're often just as good as new and can save you a significant amount of money. Another strategy is to wait for sales. Most items, especially non-essentials, will go on sale at some point. So, hold off on those impulse purchases and keep an eye out for those red sale tags. Coupons can also be your best friend. They might seem insignificant at first, but trust me, they add up. And here's the big one: differentiate between needs and wants. It's easy to splurge on items we want but don't really need. So, always question your purchases. Remember, every dollar you save while shopping is a step closer to your financial goals. Finally, let's discuss sustainability. Did you know frugality and sustainability often go hand in hand? It's true. When we say reduce, we're talking about cutting back on the amount of waste we produce. This means buying less and making the most of what we already have. A simple way to do this is by consuming less energy. Turning off lights when not in use, or choosing energy-efficient appliances can significantly lower your bills. Reuse is all about finding new ways to use items that would otherwise be discarded. Old jars can become storage containers. Worn-out clothes can be transformed into rags. It's all about getting creative and extending the life of our belongings. And then there's recycle. Instead of tossing things in the trash, consider if they can be transformed into something new. Many cities offer recycling programs, which can help decrease landfill waste. By choosing to live frugally, you're not only saving money but also helping our planet. Frugal living isn't about deprivation, it's about making smarter choices. Today, we've explored the power of frugality, how meal planning and cooking can save you money, thrifty shopping tips, and the benefits of sustainable living. It's time to start implementing these tips in your life, to not only save money, but also create a better future for your family. Don't forget to check out our other helpful parenting videos and subscribe to our channel. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your frugal journey today.